Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are awesome and passing a good time. Today I am in Chauhali and it is my hometown. I spent my childhood here. For that reason there are a lot of memories here. I will try to explore Chauhali as my own dream. At first, I start my video from southern border of my village. In this area, there are two schools and Khashajani village is just a few distance from this point. I have created a video about that village. You can check it from my channel. You can connect with my Facebook, Twitter, Telegram. Link in the description. To get further video and to stay with us, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. After that, we are going to enter into the village. Before river erosion of Jamuna River, the look of Chauhali was different. But in the present time, it started gathering aesthetic look day by day. About 202 to 3 electricity facility added in my village. The total area of this village is 243.67 km square. Though this village is a part of Sirajganj, but the main road is connected to the Nagorpur Tangail. The transportation facility is so good that it needs only 2 hours to reach in Tangail city. Now I want to highlight my home. I passed my 12 years of childhood here with a lot of memories. Jamuna River just in front of our house. We can feel the fresh air of Jamuna River from our house. All the village people are so much familiar to me. Beside of my house, there are on madrasa, on union parishad and on cemetery. After that, give an attention to this bridge. Throughout the day, a fresh air flow passes through this bridge. Sometime at day or night, we come here to spend time. The north side of Bazaar is called Baby Stand, which is act as a junction to connect Nagorpur, Tangail through roadway. After that, we come in Bazaar of this village. Mainly Wednesday and Friday, this place became crowded in a week. There are 4 segments of this Bazaar. One is for fish, another one is for vegetables, one part is for animal and another one is for rice. There is a large field to organize the sports event and cultural program for Chauhali. Sometimes we use this place to spend a relaxed time, that is Chauhali Degree College field. Chauhali Thana also play a role from here. Now it is time to go to the most attractive place of Chauhali, the border of Jamuna River. Jamuna River flows through the southern side of Chauhali. The waterway connects us with Enayetpur and Sirajganj. We can observe the different scenario in the rainy season and summer season. I will provide some photos of Chauhali in my Facebook page, Telegram page. You can collect it from there. Link in the description. If you are unable to find photos in Facebook, it will be better to search by Chauhali in Telegram page. No more today. I will arrive with another new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.